last number name is 44.
My name is Irma Priachandana Dias and my last number name 50.
My name is Amelia Japaspita, my last number name 55.
My name is Wafika Ziza, my last number name 57.
Okay, here our group will explain about the material about urinary tract infection or UTIs. The first is about definition. Urinary tract infection or UTIs is defined as an infection caused by the presence of microorganisms in the urine. Organisms have the potential to invade the tissues of the urinary tract and adjacent structures. UTIs are very common infections in women between the ages of 16 and 35. Approximately 40% to 60% of women will experience a UTIs at least once in their lifetime. Next is about etiology. About 70 until 95% of UTIs are caused by Escherichia coli bacteria. Other bacteria that often cause UTIs are Staphylococcus sp, Pseudomonas aeruginosa, Klebsiella spp, Acinetobacter spp, and Enterobacter spp.
Classification of urinary tract infection. 1. ISK non-complicata. Uncomplicated UTIs are UTIs that are acute, sporadic, or recurrent. 2. Complicated UTIs. UTIs in patients with increased likelihood complicated clinical symptoms that occur in men, pregnant women, patients with anatomical abnormalities in the urinary tract, inhaling urinary catheters, kidney disease, and patients with other comorbidities that can weaken the system such as diabetes. 2. Recurrent UTIs atau ISK berulang, uncomplicated or complicated recurrent UTIs with a frequency of at least 3 UTIs per year or 2 UTIs in the past 6 months. 3. Catheter-associated UTIs, UTI that occur in someone who has been catheterized or has a catheter in the last 48 hours. Why are women more susceptible to UTIs? Quote from an article in Kidney Health Australia: women have a shorter urethra than men and a straighter urethra. This shorter and straighter urethra makes it easier for germs to enter the bladder. In addition, the causes of UTIs in women are also more diverse. Pregnant women are also susceptible to UTI because during pregnancy the drainage system from the kidneys to bladder widens, so the urine does not flow quickly. This condition makes a woman more susceptible to infection, and sometimes bacteria can even move from the bladder to the kidneys. As a result, UTI can also cause kidney infection. In older women, the tissues of the urethra and bladder become thinner and drier due to age, menopause, or vasectomy. This condition about women at greater risk urinary tract infection. Berikut adalah gambar diagram saluran kemih antara wanita dan laki-laki.
UT symptoms. Common signs and symptoms experienced with UT patients are with fever, frequency or urination too often at frequency interval, urgency or unstoppable urge to urinary due to bladder muscle contraction, then a feeling of pain and discomfort or burning sensation when urinating called urea. Often waking up at night to urinary due to urinary tract infection called nocturia, and loss of bladder control from urinary called urinary incontinence. In addition, lower UT are usually characteristic by pain during urination only. Pain in the suprapubic area or hematuria is seen. Meanwhile, Upper UTIs are generally manifest by fever, back pain, chills, vomiting, and nausea. And next, diagnosis of UTI. Diagnosis in UTI patients can be seen from the clinical picture or anamnesis, and laboratory examination can be classified based on the type of UTI. Uh, acute non-complicated cystitis non-completed cystitis occurs in women, no urological abnormalities, no stones, no catheter. When clinical description, dysuria, frequency, urgency, suprapubic pain, and pyorrhea. 2. Inspection pyorrhea, positive urine culture or urinalysis examination. Next, B. Acute complicated cystitis. Complicated cystitis occurs in men, possibly stents, urological disorders, and pregnancy. When clinical description dysuria, frequency, urgency, suprapubic pain, and pyorrhea. 2. Inspection pyorrhea, positive urine culture, or urinalysis examination. Next, C. Acute non-complicated pyelonephritis. Acute non-complicated pyelonephritis occurs in women. There are no urological abnormalities, no stenosis, no catheter. When clinical description fever, low back pain, pyorrhea, nausea, and vomiting. Untuk inspection pyorrhea, positive urine culture, urinalysis examination are carried out routinely. An ultrasound examination can be carried out. Next day, acute complicated pyelonephritis. Acute complicated pyelonephritis occurs in men, possibly stents, urological abnormalities, and pregnancy. When clinical description fever, low back pain, pyorrhea, nausea, and vomiting. 2. Inspection pyorrhea. Positive urine culture or urinalysis examination or can be supplemented with ultrasound examination. Apart of that, the diagnosis of emphysematous pyelonephritis can be checked using a scan. This is example for treatment of UTI.
Prevention. 1. Education for primary prevention of UTI. The first, drink enough water 40 milliliter per kilograms of body weight per day. Second, do not hold urine for too long. Third, clean the genital area properly after defecating and urinating. Fourth, avoid wearing pants that are too tight. 50. Maintain clean lines of the genital area and its surroundings. 6. Change the catheter regularly. 2. Education for secondary prevention of UTI. The first, advise not to have sexual intercourse during UTI treatment. Second, treatment compliance. Third, sign of complication to ward out of and when to return for a checkup.
So that was a short video explaining the learning from our group, and this is the bibliography. Thank you, and I apologize if there are any wrong words. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.